What's
Yeah,
up?
What's up, brother?
How's it going?
How are you?
Hey!
Peek inside the secret box right here.
Long time no see, man.
How you doing?
I'm hanging.
You guys have had a busy couple of weeks, man.
Yes.
It's been non-stop for the past
Amazing. I respect it, man. Like road trip roadshow. Damn. These bikes are so sick. Look at this brute. He said this brute was in a 50-mile-an-hour crash and flipped over and is still going strong like nothing happened. Incredible.
Yeah, it's not going to fully sink in ever. So I won't be able to ride
That's Matt, and John. Alright? They're going to be showing off some amazing bikes for you guys. Now, let's listen up to Matt really quick so that we know how you guys can safely get on these bikes. Sound like a good time? Alright, everybody, let's give it up for
Safe?
Matt. Woo!
Thank you guys for coming out. A lot of you guys have been following our road trip, so thank you for doing that. We're bummed that it didn't work out in the beginning because of the rain, but I feel very lucky now to get a beautiful day.
Yes, sir.
Worked out for the best, right? So we're at the end of the road trip, which means these bikes have seen a lot of abuse. So just keep that in mind when you're taking test rides. I appreciate it if you don't drive like a complete maniac, but kind of put them to whatever level you want. We will go through the different mechanics of the bikes when you want to test ride them, but just be mindful, they're powerful bikes. Both bikes have a 4,000 watt motor. The Javelin can hit about 70, 75. The Brute can hit about 55, 60. You'll notice that the Brute is going to have a much higher torque, so it's going to be a much higher takeoff on the low end, whereas the Javelin has a much more gradual buildup, but it will just keep on building. So we kind of see the Brute. So we see the Brute as more of our city bike, and the Javelin as more of a long-term commuter bike. But what's actually going to happen, we're not sure. So anyway, if you guys have questions, we can answer anything. We are the ones actually building these bikes in Connecticut. They're all hand-built, so any questions you have, we can answer. But let's start test riding.
Yeah. So we're going to have a little test ride circuit for you guys going around this building here. So you're going to just be going around this one block, all right? We're not going to be opening it up to the whole area just yet, all right, guys? So be on your best behavior.
Go to the Bronx.
So no Roosevelt Island?
I'm going to the Bronx.
You're gonna convert a Zoozer.
He's about the same size as my dog.
I'm gonna tell Chris.
I don't think I'm like something
Amazing.
Wow, that torque. At first, I'm not gonna push it around this corner. I want to just figure out what it's like. Yeah, you're getting a lot of ground.
What do you think, Benny?
No, he'll be riding on it for sure. You want to? Are you up next?
I'm gonna try it, but let her go first.
Well, she already took it around twice.
Oh, she took it. All right. All right.
Good?
I fucking love it. Can I do one more loop?
Go for it. Nobody's riding.
It's fucking so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick picture on it to see how I look on it.
Yeah.
Really natural.
As a person who's been like
Gets up
flattered.
quick. It's
Very flattered.
very
Thank
manageable.
you.
Like I can go a little hard on accident. It won't. Like,
Yeah, you're not
get
gonna.
up
I
on
mean,
me.
there will be ways to tune this up that you.
You need to block the streets off and just go whoosh. We would get to the end. These are bumpy hills right over there. Boom. Yeah, they are. Boom. Somebody flipped his bike over. The whole street. Right. The biggest thing I was
Be honest, I think I like that one.
Most speeds, it's like a back massage.
I'm a fan of the
Yeah, I didn't really. We are gonna do a hybrid tire, so it'll be straight in the middle. We don't have knobs.
Like literally, if I would have tapped instant, if I would have tapped it hard enough, I would have been doing a
Once you get about like 5 miles an hour, it smooths out, but low, it's a weird.
What do you think, Frankie?
It's just like they're so.
I wish we had a longer track.
You feel like
To be
you're on
honest,
Me too.
to get
Quarter mile straight away.
look, you see where that taxi is? Further, just straight.
Yeah,
straight.
yeah.
Just gun that
Yup,
bitch.
yup.
Gun that shit.
You had a little bit on this street right here, but yeah, Mike's gonna want to go. I love that bike. I really fucking love that bike.
I think it's maybe it's because the way you sit on it, like it kind of lends itself to it. He's gonna come again.
Race.
This one will probably be
Off the line in the short,
off the line. This will get it, and then at about 20 miles an hour.
the Javelin will take over. That thing's sick. I love it. Oh, this is a man who's gonna convert from the Bandit.
I kind of want to try this. I got it. Right. Oh, me too. Okay. Filming right now. I think I'm gonna like this one better.
I think I'm with David here. I think I'm with you, brother. I'm gonna like the Brute better. I thought maybe he stole it. I thought maybe he kept going into the store yet, going home.
That thing's got some
Pick up a gyro.
Twinkie, right?
It's got some.
Did you try the Javelin yet?
No,
I gotta try
I'm
that.
going to.
This guy's converted. He's gonna get rid of his Bandit and get this thing.
Yeah, but this is bouncing on that. Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of the nappy tires.
Yeah, that's for off-road.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan.
Yeah. I don't know. Both of these things. I think this is easier. Like it kind of makes you want to go faster, and it's easier to get to that speed. That one, you're more aware of the torque. I don't know. I feel like this definitely feels faster. Like not because of the top speed, but it gets you there. That's
Right.
It gets going. But I feel like that one's definitely more torquey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking heavy.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a little heavy, Bobby.
I don't like that.
Frank's got arthritis in his hip.
How'd you feel?
Yeah.
Calvin,
When you held these, I didn't like
talk is nice, right?
It scared me.
Oh yeah. The disc brake might be a little off in the head.
Man, I love it. I love everyone trying these bikes.
I was ready to go, man. You didn't have to do shit.
I'm gonna take it easy on the
Not even that to do this. Like you can't go crazy. It's 2 corners. You gotta stop at the corner. You gotta slow down at the corner, bro. Otherwise, you end up in the river, bro. Just fucking, touch the brakes, tap the brakes, and you're good. Seriously. No problem.
That's why I like two.
You trying both, Benny?
Yeah, definitely did.
Which you like better? If you had to pick one and only one. Yeah. Which you like better? Three tires.
Put a hand on it, just in case.
Yeah, it's a little heavy. Yeah, it's a little heavy. But you got the long legs. You get on that really easy. Go, Johnny, go!
I'm going again.
You going again?
Johnny! Boom.
Yeah, you get like halfway down the block and then you just wish you had more road.
You just take more road then.
It's fucking sick. Holy
This
crap.
shit is nice.
It's so smooth.
I like this bike so much.
It is so. Have you tried this yet? It
I like
is.
this bike so much.
I thought I was gonna love the Brute like 10 times more than this, but
No,
this is what I want.
This is what you want.
Yeah.
I told you.
The Brood is good too. Don't get me wrong.
The Brood's awesome.
But this is where it's at.
What's up, brother?
This is
I
where
want.
it's at.
I mean, Spark. I want them both. I really do. I want
This is
them
where
both.
it's at.
Sick.
This is where it's at. This is where it's at. I like this bike.
You got it?
Yep.
Oh damn! I thought he was gonna race you.
Yo, I heard you can't ride, dude.
Dude, that torque, that initial torque is like
It's quick, right?
quick. Yeah,
All right, let me dial it up for you.
crazy. That initial torque, man. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, you race?
It's like a thumb trigger or something. Yeah. At first, when I got on, I was like, where do my feet go?
It's so dope though. Like,
Perfect city bike.
Oh, yeah.
bro, you could just
that thing
bring that
around.
shit on the elevator or carry it up.
Give it a shot.
It's just like it's asking to jump so you
Yeah. Makes you want to get
Do
aggressive.
like 360s and 180s and shit. Yeah.
it's just like you're looking for a cruise.
Yeah.
That's
That's one of the reasons I got the
Whoa.
Jeez.
Spicy.
I feel like if it had pegs,
But other than that, I think it feels a lot better. It feels
Because your foot stance is like
get the real, you got
the foot stance is like
that's
this.
how I want it.
Like
Yeah.
the two, like it definitely have more stability.
I just realized it,
I
right?
feel like
Running
if you stand up
How much
on
does
it,
this weigh?
37.
if you stand up though, you feel like you get more stable. Like
Yeah. That's BMX. It disperses torque a little better.
For real. Because I noticed the chain.
Yeah.
It goes.
The vertical chain and the horizontal chain. Yeah.
Right, exactly. Yeah, these things are all toys. Dude.
Hey, there he is.
This shit is nice.
I didn't know who pulled up. Damn, look at you, man.
Told you guys gotta stop playing with the toys. Come with the real, son.
Yeah, you still play with the toys. Who are you kidding? Ew.
I'm gonna go get one.
But I'm like, no, you don't get it. I'm like, the progression of how